Welcome back to QuizVibe. You thought the last one was hard? We're back with 30 new flags you haven't seen yet. No easy warm-ups today, we're jumping straight into the deep end. You have 5 seconds. Can you survive? Let's go. Seychelles. Did those colors confuse you? Switzerland. Watch out for that square shape. That's Vietnam. Keep up the energy. Greece, beautiful blue and white. Kazakhstan, bet you didn't expect that one. That's Portugal. Are you still undefeated? Jamaica, only flag without red, white, or blue. Sweden, sharp eyes. Mongolia, this is where most people fail. That's Norway. Don't mix it up. Kenya, love that shield detail. Ukraine, keep the momentum going. Sri Lanka, the lion flag. Belgium, watch the colors carefully. Cambodia, featuring Angkor Wat. Poland, don't confuse it with Indonesia. Finland, the blue cross. Israel, well done. Philippines, look at that sun. Austria, halfway through the chaos. Colombia, did you get the yellow right? Singapore, Majula Singapura. Peru, keep those eyes peeled. Denmark, the oldest flag in the world. Chile, watch the star. Malaysia, almost at the end. Bangladesh, that green and red pop. Hungary, just 2 more. Romania, final stretch now. New Zealand, you made it to the finish line. That was a wild ride. How many of these new flags did you actually get? If you're a true flag fan, hit that subscribe button for the QuizVibe family. See you in the next one.